The history of Islam is a vast and complex subject that spans over 1,400 years. Early beginnings, 7th century. 1. Islam was founded in the 7th century CE by the Prophet Muhammad in the Arabian Peninsula. 1. He received revelations from Allah, God, through the angel Gabriel, which were later compiled into the Holy Book of Islam, the Quran. 2. The revelations emphasized monotheism, social justice, and moral conduct. 2. Muhammad's teachings were initially met with opposition from the local elites in Mecca. Migration to Medina and consolidation, 622-630 CE. 1. In 622 CE, due to growing hostility, Muhammad and his followers migrated to Medina. 1. This event, known as the Hijra, marks the beginning of the Islamic calendar. 2. In Medina, Muhammad established a community based on Islamic principles and gradually gained support. Return to Mecca and expansion, 630-750 CE. 1. In 630 CE, Muhammad and his followers returned to Mecca, where they peacefully conquered the city and established Islam as the predominant religion in the Arabian Peninsula. 2. After Muhammad's death in 632 CE, a series of caliphs, successors, led the Islamic community. 2. The Rashidun caliphs, Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman, and Ali, oversaw significant territorial expansion, including the capture of Persia and the Levant. Schism and spread of Islam, 7th–10th centuries. 1. Disagreements over leadership led to a schism within Islam. 1. The Sunni-Shia split emerged, with Sunnis supporting the caliphs as political and religious leaders, while Shia believed in the leadership of Muhammad's descendants, imams. 2. The Islamic Empire continued to expand under the Umayyad and Abbasid caliphates, reaching as far as Spain in the west and India in the east. Golden Age of Islamic Civilization, 8th–13th centuries. 1. The Abbasid Caliphate marked a cultural and scientific renaissance in the Islamic world. 1. Major advancements were made in mathematics, medicine, astronomy, philosophy, and architecture. 2. Trade routes, including the Silk Road, facilitated cultural exchange between the Islamic world, Europe, Africa, and Asia. Decline and fragmentation, 11th–16th centuries. 1. Internal strife, external invasions, and regional rivalries led to the decline of the central Islamic caliphates. 1. Various dynasties and empires emerged, such as the Seljuks, Mamluks, and Ottoman Empire. 2. Islamic civilization continued to thrive in various regions, including Andalusia, Spain, and the Indian subcontinent. Colonialism and modern challenges, 19th–20th centuries. 1. Many Islamic regions fell under European colonial rule during the 19th and early 20th centuries. 1. This period had significant political, social, and economic impacts on Islamic societies. 2. The 20th century saw the rise of nationalism, independence movements, and modernization efforts in many Islamic countries. 2. Oil discovery in the Middle East also altered the global balance of power. Contemporary Islam, 21st century. 1. Islam remains a major world religion, with diverse communities across the globe. 1. It has faced challenges such as political unrest, terrorism, and debates over religious interpretation. 2. Islamic countries have undergone various degrees of modernization and continue to navigate the balance between tradition and progress. Please note that this overview is a simplified version of the rich and intricate history of Islam. The religion's history has been shaped by a wide range of cultural, political, and social factors, and different regions have their own unique experiences and developments within the context of Islam.